Right now, somewhere in America, someone is asleep while their AI-generated YouTube channel is making ad revenue, their digital products are selling automatically, and an AI chatbot is handling customer service for their online business without them touching a single thing. That sounds crazy, but this is exactly why AI side hustles are exploding across the United States in 2026. For decades, people believed making money required trading time for dollars. You worked 8 hours, you got paid for 8 hours. But artificial intelligence is changing that system faster than most people realize. Today, regular Americans are building income streams that continue working long after they close their laptops at night. And the craziest part is that many of these people are not programmers, tech geniuses, or Silicon Valley entrepreneurs. They're students, office workers, Uber drivers, stay-at-home parents, and everyday people using AI tools to automate businesses that once required entire teams. In this video, we're breaking down the AI side hustles Americans are using to generate passive income while sleeping, how these systems actually work, and why this could completely change the future of personal finance in the United States. A few years ago, the idea of earning passive income online sounded almost impossible for the average person. Most side hustles still required constant effort. If you started a dropshipping business, you had to handle marketing, customer support, product research, and advertising manually. If you wanted to create content online, you needed editing skills, design skills, and countless hours of work. But AI tools have lowered the barrier to entry in a massive way. Now, someone with zero experience can use artificial intelligence to write scripts, generate videos, create thumbnails, answer emails, automate sales funnels, and even analyze market trends in real time. That's why searches for AI side hustles have skyrocketed in the US. Americans are realizing that the people who learn these systems early could potentially build wealth much faster than traditional workers, relying only on paychecks and 401k contributions. One of the biggest AI side hustles right now is faceless YouTube automation channels. These channels are everywhere, and most viewers don't even realize they're watching AI-assisted content. Someone picks a profitable niche like finance, motivation, celebrity news, real estate, or tech trends, then uses AI tools to generate scripts, voiceovers, video clips, and thumbnails. Instead of spending days editing videos, creators can now produce multiple uploads every single week with minimal effort. Once these channels qualify for YouTube monetization, they start generating ad revenue around the clock. Some creators also add affiliate marketing links, sponsorship deals, and digital products to increase their earnings. The powerful part is that old videos continue earning money months or even years later, turning content into a long-term digital asset. This is why many Americans now treat YouTube channels almost like owning rental properties online. The videos keep working even after the creator stops actively managing them.